So I got the hose screwed in with simple, as you guys can see, there's this bolt over here, and then you wiggle it out. I've put some clips, put some stuff in here to keep the clips open. What I'm gonna do next is gonna use these grips to screw that into place. It's very easy. You can buy this at Amazon store. Highly recommended. Amazon store. Amazon place. Yeah. Where you fall it in. Don't go there. Alright. Here we go. Okay. And then now it's clipped. I have to open up the clip, and it's all gonna be good. It sits like that.